Hello there. It's end of January now and the weather is quite warm. 2 weeks ago it was almost minus 30 degrees Celsius and at the moment it's plus 2 degrees of Celsius. So 32 degrees has the temperature now gone up. So quite strange. And next week will be also very warm, plus 2, plus 3 Celsius degrees, and it will be very rainy. Anyway, we are going towards the springtime and we think that we should start hatching the eggs. So here are our eggs from the chicken eggs. We got 1 to 2 eggs per day at the moment. They don't lay at the moment so much. They have a laying pause at the moment, so it will take maybe 10 days to get 15 eggs, I think. And after that, after 10 days, we will start hatching the chickens. 15 eggs. Hopefully we get 15 chickens. I don't know. Here is our new snowblower machine. Henri bought this because she is now injured. She's been in a surgery and she thinks that it will be much easier to do the snow works here with this machine. And I think it is. It's brand new and I have not been using this only once in a short time, but I'm sure there will be a lot of snow more here in Finland in during this spring, coming springtime, so it will be very useful. So this one runs with gasoline and I think it's what was quite expensive. It was almost 700 euros, but it's ready to use and I'm sure we will use this during this winter time. So thank you, Henri, thinking about me and my duties here in countryside. But maybe we go now inside and you will see which kind of incubator we have there. We will hatch these eggs with the incubator and hopefully we can start in 5 days, maybe 7 days from this day. Let's go inside.
Yeah, there's not much use for me at the moment. I just need to lay in a bed and try to recover after surgery. That's why we had a little break also what comes to these videos, but let's try to get back to the normal rhythm.
Okay, we are using this King Suro Pro 20 incubator, and this incubator has been working quite good, so we've been using this. We have another incubator, but the other incubator is broken, the fan is broken there, so we can't use that one. But we've been using this King Suro 20 for hatching, and I have the King Suro Pro here. I will put this ready here so we can use this. As you can see, there is quite few cords, and it's using electric, of course. And this small one here is the pump. It will pump water into the incubator with this hose, through this hose. And we need a bottle where is the water. So the other side of this hose is inside this bottle, which is full of water. That is necessary for the humidity level. So we need this pump, and this is the incubator itself. So this is the egg van, and the incubator comes here. So it will swing the incubator automatically during the hatching time. So three main parts is in this incubator: the van, the pump, and the incubator. So this is with the water, and this van, it's fully automated incubator process, hatching process, sorry. So just like that. So here is the front panel of this incubator. We have been hatching quail eggs and chicken eggs, and we have been very successful with this incubator. So we trust this one. And it will take 21 days to get the chickens out from this incubator. Now we need those eggs. There are now 7 eggs. Hopefully after 5 days there are 15 eggs, so we can start hatching and using this incubator. So this is automatic, so you have to stop the swing 3 days before hatching. Before we put the eggs here, we have to sterilize those eggs, all of them, and then we are ready to do the hatching. Although we have 20 chickens, we get only 2 eggs per day at the moment. So they are having a pause of laying. We have to put these dividers inside of this egg tray here. So using these dividers, the eggs don't break here when the swing is working. So that's why you have to use these. So you put the eggs here in the hatching tray, the sharp end down. So maybe in the next video you can see when we have started the hatching. See you next time. Bye!